Okay, we'll finish up section 1.3 with the corollaries to the triangle inequality. Okay. This is now corollary is typically a theorem that just follows pretty quickly from another theorem, and so this is corollary 1.7, and they have three things. They say, well, the plus part didn't really matter. You could have had minus. So, the absolute value of, plus or minus Z1. Now, they have a plus or minus here, but it really just doesn't matter. You can mix and match. So I could have it's not that they're saying it has to be Z1 plus Z2 or minus Z1 minus Z2. It could be minus Z1 plus Z2, any of, or Z1 minus Z2, any of those are less than or equal to the absolute value of Z1 plus the absolute value of Z2. So yeah, minuses and so forth don't matter. And the reason that follows pretty easily is, if I were given, something like Z1 minus Z2, well, just let Z3 equal negative Z2, and now you've got Z1 plus Z3, right? So Z1 plus Z3, and that will have to behave by the triangle inequality. And so, it's just to get that proof, you just make a quick substitution. The reverse triangle inequality. So, again, this can be any of the pluses and minuses, but this is greater than or equal to the absolute value of the difference of the absolute values. Okay, so that is a little different there. And then finally, C is that you can extend this to any number of these things. So if I had a sum k equals 1 to n of zk, and that sum is all inside the absolute value, I can move the absolute value inside through an inequality and say this is k equal 1 to n of the separate absolute values here. But again, I need that inequality to say that. So those are the corollaries. And I think that completes section 1.3.